Good morning, class. My name is Gregory Fieldson, and I am this month's guest teacher, sent here to talk about philosophy, science and art. I have to talk with you guys about a really interesting topic. Today we have to find out what an object is. I was sitting in my living room this morning and looking out in my garden. There I saw my plastic chair next to the apple tree. I realized I only had one narrative about that chair, actually two. I bought the chair in a huge store full of cheap furniture. The other part is that I see it as an item which holds a low value. In the living room I was sitting on the original Hans J. Wegner chair, good old Danish design. I would like to ask you, class, what is the difference between my plastic chair and my Danish designer chair in oak tree? That's quite an interesting topic. I have thought about it actually. Why is that we so easy adopt the value and narratives about objects we meet, when they hold potentialities for infinite narratives? If I should come with an answer to your question, Gregory, I would say, if we compare these two chairs, everyone can agree that the Hans J. Wegner chair holds a higher status. Why is that so? Both are designed and mass-produced. I see a difference in time spent on the production and in the narrative told about the objects, but both chairs are complex in their nature of existence. That was a very good answer, a very good perspective you have, Thomas. Is there anyone else that wanna answer my question? Okay, if there is not any more questions I will continue. In computer science, an object can be a variable, a data structure, a function, or a hold, and as such, is a value in memory referencer by an identifier. In the class-based object-oriented program paradigm, object refers to a particular instance of a class, where the object can be a combination of variables, function, and data structures. In rational database management, an object can be a table or column, or an association between data and a database entity, such as relating a person's age to a specific person. I think the computer analogy can be used when we talk about real-life objects, like this plastic chair. I think it's possible to look at the raw data, but it takes a lot of work to change old narratives about what this form is and which function it has. So Thomas, if we don't use the computer analogy to investigate the object, will you then tell me what you think an object is? I thought about it. An object is a material thing that can be seen and touched. It can be a person or a thing to which a specified action or feeling/memory is directed. I am looking around and experiencing objects, my dog, my table, my bike, my painting, and so on. These real-world objects share two characteristics. They all have state and they all have behavior. For example, dogs have state, name, color, breed, hungry. Dogs have behavior, barking, fetching and slobbering on your newly cleaned pants. That was again a very good observation, Thomas. Today we have to redefine objects and give them new meaning in a different context. So class, I would like you to sit together in one group and start rethinking my plastic chair,